Hi folks, welcome to Aunt Sandy's Kitchen, and today we are going to be making creamy, fluffy, homemade mashed potatoes. I've already chopped up my potatoes. You can wash your potatoes before you peel them. I do not. I peel them and then I wash them and chop them up to about the same size so they'll cook evenly, because you don't want one being done and then the other ones are still raw in the middle. You start with cold water, because if you start with hot water, it won't cook evenly. So I got my cold water. I'm going to put some salt in the water. I've got my garlic that I'm going to put through a garlic press. Now this is old. I think this was my mother-in-law's. And now we're going to put the potatoes in. Just be very careful. You don't splatter it all over the counter. And I'm going to put them on the eye. I'm going to turn them to medium high till it gets a simmering. You don't want it to go on a fast boil, because it just boil it away and make it too mushy. We're back. We've boiled the potatoes a steady boil, and now we're going to test it. And it's fork tender or knife tender. We're going to strain it. Get all that liquid out of it, because you don't want runny potatoes. Ooh, colander. I've got them in a colander. See it? I'm going to let them drain. I've heated up my cream and milk to just till it's warm, because you don't want to put it in there cold. I got my butter. Gonna take it, let it dry out a little bit. We're going to take our butter and pour it in there. We're going to take our cream. We're going to just put a little bit at a time. We're going to bring it over here so I can get to it. We're going to put some salt and pepper in it. I like a lot of pepper. And salt. And we salted the water, so we'll just start with a little bit, pinch. I'm going to mash them, and we'll add the rest of the cream as we go. Okay, gonna put some more in there. Rest the butter. It's gonna be creamy and fluffy and good. Oh, I can smell that garlic in there, that garlic in here. Be sure to run your masher around the side. Okay, we're going to put the rest of the butter in there. A little bit more cream. There's a few more lumps in there, that is fine. Put the rest of the cream in there. I'm going to add a little more pinch of salt. I'm going to taste it. See how it tastes. It's real good. It's got enough salt in it. It's creamy. Put a few pats of butter on the top. Just let that melt there. One thought, I peel my potatoes with a knife. That's the way I've always done it. But I've seen a lot of people use a potato peeler. That's fine. You know, whatever you grew up with or easiest for you, that's the main thing. Some people don't even peel their potatoes, but you need to scrub them very good so you won't have dirt and grit on your potatoes. Now I peel mine because sometimes potatoes have I call it a bad spot in the middle of the potato. So you need to look at that. There's nothing wrong with the potato, but if you see a dark spot inside the potato, you need to cut that out, and don't cut it up with your potatoes. And look at those potatoes. Homemade, didn't take hardly any time. You can do so much with this recipe. I've seen potato bowls lately where you scoop your potato in a bowl and then you put all these toppings on it. It's kind of like a loaded baked potato. You can put cheese, you can put bacon, you can put chopped up vegetables, a little meat on it or something, You can do so many things with creamed potatoes. They're just a good staple, starch, filler-upper for your family, and it goes a long way. So let's take a little test here. Get a little of that butter. It is so good. The smooth, fluffy. You can taste that garlic that was boiled in with the potatoes. Just a hint. If you don't like garlic, just leave it out. But it is delicious. Let me know in the comments what's your favorite recipe. There is a link in the description to check out my Etsy store for Aunt Sandy's Kitchen merchandise. Also in the description, there will be a recipe and a link to my website to download a printable recipe. Thank you for watching my videos, and as always, God bless.